Welcome to Elabyad TV. Hello and welcome to Elabyad TV. Today, we embark on a fascinating journey to explore one of the greatest engineering marvels of the world, the Panama Canal. The Panama Canal is not just a waterway, it is a vital artery for global trade, connecting the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans through the Isthmus of Panama. This canal, which opened its doors to the world in 1914, has shortened maritime distances and reshaped the map of global commerce. The history of the Panama Canal, the idea of creating a canal to connect the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans, dates back to the Middle Ages. However, the actual construction began in the late 19th century. The French initially attempted to build the canal, but their efforts failed due to technical challenges and tropical diseases. The United States then took over the project and finally completed the canal in 1914. Importance of the Panama Canal in global trade. Reducing distances. Before the opening of the Panama Canal, ships had to navigate around Cape Horn at the southern tip of South America, adding thousands of kilometers to their journeys. Today, ships can cross the canal in just 8 to 10 hours, facilitating goods movement. Thanks to the canal, goods can be transported quickly and efficiently between the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. From grains and raw materials to industrial products, the canal facilitates the movement of goods between the world's continents. Economic impact. The Panama Canal is a crucial artery for the global economy. Annually, more than 14,000 ships pass through the canal, carrying goods worth over $270 billion. Engineering structure of the Panama Canal. Locks. The locks are an essential part of the Panama Canal. The canal comprises a series of locks that raise ships to the level of Gatun Lake and then lower them back to sea level. This unique architectural technique made the canal possible. Gatun Lake is one of the largest artificial lakes in the world and represents a vital part of the canal's system. The lake provides the water needed to operate the locks and helps regulate navigation. Challenges faced during construction. Tropical diseases. Diseases such as malaria and yellow fever posed significant challenges to the workers building the canal. American health teams managed to control these diseases through extensive efforts to combat mosquitoes. Rough terrain. Engineers faced massive geographical challenges, including cutting the canal through a series of mountain ranges. Equipment and techniques. The use of the latest technologies and heavy machinery was essential to complete the project. Transfer of canal ownership and geopolitical importance. Transfer of sovereignty. On December 31, 1999, the ownership of the canal was officially transferred from the United States to Panama. This event marked a turning point in the canal's history and Panama's sovereignty over its vital resources. Geopolitical competition. The Panama Canal is a strategic global passage. Interest in the canal has grown with the competition between major powers like the United States and China for influence in the region. Trump's role in the Panama Canal. Economic vision. Former U.S. President Donald Trump had a specific vision regarding the canal. He believed in the necessity of reasserting American control over it to protect economic and security interests. Trade threats. Trump's statements about purchasing the canal came in the context of threats to impose new trade tariffs on American ships if Panama did not reduce the current toll fees. Competition with China. Trump's desire to buy the canal can also be understood in the context of countering increasing Chinese influence, as China is the second largest user of the canal after the United States. Conclusion. The Panama Canal is not just a waterway. It is a symbol of engineering genius and human challenge. This canal has significantly contributed to shaping the future of global trade and defining the contours of the modern economy. Today, the canal remains a vital element in international commerce, and its sovereignty continues to attract the attention of major powers.